Well, in 1979, it wasn't even known biologically that stress was a risk factor for disease or mortality. But now, I don't know if you know this, but the 2008 Nobel Prize was actually won by a woman named Elizabeth Blackburn at UCSF for demonstrating that chronic stress can actually have a profound negative influence on aging. It can accelerate the aging process at a biological level. How does it do that? By degrading the repeat subunits of DNA at the ends of all of our chromosomes, which are called telomeres. And it turns out that the mind can regulate this process even under very high levels of stress, and that if you don't take the stress so personally, or you have ways to regulate your response to the stresses out there and the thoughts about them in here and the emotion about them in here, that you can actually protect yourself from that degrading of the telomeres. And they can measure this, and the studies are beginning to come out, patient studies showing that telomerase, the enzyme that repairs the telomeres, actually is much more active if you practice meditation. Okay? So that's one interesting piece of, scientific evidence that stress can take, as they say, years off our lives, but that we have the capacity inwardly to be able to modulate it and regulate it.